Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you the information on recovering your Clash of Clans account. So first of all, open Clash of Clans, launch the game on your device, tap on the gear icon usually found at the bottom right of the screen, tap on Disconnected, this will be under the Supercell ID section, then log in by entering your email associated with your Supercell ID. If you don't remember your password, select Forgot Your Password and follow the instructions to reset it. The next method is going to be recovering via Google Play or Game Center. If you previously linked your Clash of Clans account to Google Play on Android or Game Center on iOS, open the game and go to Settings. For Android users, tap on Google Play Sign In and log in with the account linked to your game. For iOS users, make sure you logged in into the Game Center with the right Apple ID, then open the game. The other method is going to be contacting Supercell support. If you can't access your account through Supercell ID, Google Play or Game Center, you may need to contact them. Open Clash of Clans and go to Settings, tap on Help and Support, scroll down and select Lost Account, and then contact us. Then you will have to basically provide as much information as possible to prove that it's your account. Now the information you want to provide are going to be your player name and clan name, your player tag, the level of your town, hall, and XP level, and details of your last login or any purchases made. And Supercell will use this information to verify ownership of this account and help you recover it. You can also lastly use the Lost Village feature if you lost access to your account based because of a new device or reinstall. You need to open Clash of Clans and go through the tutorial until you can access the settings menu. Tap on Settings, then select Help and Support, tap on Lost Village, and follow on-screen instructions. And these steps should help you recover your Clash of Clans account. If you encounter any issues, it's best to contact Supercell support directly for assistance. And hopefully this video helps you guys to recover your account. Leave a comment in the comment section if this helped. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.